Come with us to Alliance Simon Tech's Young Black Scholars Black History Month Assembly. YBS is a scholar-led organization that centers leadership, cultural celebration, and community building for students who identify as part of the Black diaspora or have Afro roots. YBS students meet weekly to plan projects and create affirming school-wide programming. This year's assembly featured 3 interconnected parts that celebrated Black culture, identity, resistance, and creativity. A gallery of scholar art and design, performance, and food. Scholars shared readings, reflected on Black history and lived experiences, and heard from guest speakers who inspired and motivated scholars to lead, create, and honor the legacy of those who came before them. Their curated gallery featuring contributions from scholars enabled the Simon Tech community to engage with multiple expressions of Black culture and lived experiences through visual storytelling. Food was also an important part of the celebration, highlighting culinary traditions rooted both in Africa and in the kitchens of Black Americans throughout their history.
So good though.
The assembly celebrated the voices, stories, and creativity of Black scholars at Simon Tech, honoring history while empowering students to continue building community and leading with pride.